Community nurses are moving a step closer to pay parity with their hospital colleagues. But while one part of the health sector is celebrating today, another faces huge job cuts.
Te Whatu Ora Health New Zealand is considering axing 1,600 jobs, as Leighton Hakel reports.
The Health Minister arriving at Lower Hutt Te Omanga Hospice, holding a tune and a conversation.
Hi Selena, I'm Shabira. Lovely to meet you.
Before giving the nurses here a pay rise.
This is a substantial increase, 10 to 15% for some people. So really represents a good increase in the context that we're in.
The boost is for about 8,000 community nurses. That's those in aged care, hospice, home support services, Māori and Pacific healthcare. It'll bring their wages to about 95% of their hospital colleagues.
It's just really a recognition of all the great work that is being delivered by nurses.
But while it was celebrations for one part of the health sector, there are commiserations for another, with 1,600 Health NZ jobs on the chopping block. In a statement, Te Whatu Ora says it's proposing to cut corporate or back office roles, streamlining teams that do similar work and reducing duplication across the country.
We know that as we brought together 20 DHBs, that there will need to be a reflection on how we create efficiencies. However, the details of that needs to be worked through by Te Whatu Ora and the unions and the staff concerned. It's an operational matter.
Many of the roles facing the axe are in management. The opposition has long called for the government to cut back on bureaucrats, but won't be supporting this proposal.
We understand efficiencies, but we wouldn't be doing efficiencies of this type in the middle of a pandemic. We wouldn't be doing these reforms in the middle of a pandemic. We'd be backing our frontline staff.
Te Whatu Ora says the proposal is actually designed to better support frontline staff because it's aiming to simplify the way they work.
We're eager to make sure that our health system runs efficiently so we can deliver more of the services that New Zealanders need and value.
Consultation is underway and changes will be finalised in June, just as winter arrives with all the pressure it brings. Leighton Hakel, Newshub.